How does a company transition from making tractors to crafting some of the world's most luxurious supercars? Lamborghini's journey is more than just a shift in gears. In the year 1948, a man named Ferruccio Lamborghini took the reins of destiny and founded Lamborghini Trattori. This wasn't your ordinary startup. Born from the remnants of World War II, Lamborghini Trattori was built on the shoulders of leftover military hardware. Ferruccio, a man with an innate understanding of mechanics, saw potential where others saw scrap. His keen business acumen guided him to repurpose these materials, breathing new life into them as they rolled out of the factory not as weapons of war, but as tractors. These machines, the humble beginnings of a brand synonymous with luxury, tilled the rich Italian soil and sowed the seeds of a legacy that would reach far beyond the fields. But our story doesn't end in the fields of Italy, it only begins. A personal grudge can be a powerful motivator. For Ferruccio, a feud with another Italian car magnate was the spark that ignited a revolution. You see, Ferruccio Lamborghini, a successful tractor manufacturer, had a bone to pick with Enzo Ferrari. He believed Ferrari's cars were too noisy and rough for the road, more like repurposed track cars than refined grand tourers. When Ferruccio took his complaints to Enzo, the proud Ferrari dismissed him, suggesting he stick to making tractors. This was the spark that ignited the fire in Ferruccio. He was determined to show that he could create a better car, a perfect grand touring car. In 1963, against all odds, Ferruccio founded Automotive Lamborghini. He set out to create a car that would rival Ferraris, but with high performance that didn't compromise road manners or driver comfort. The result? The Lamborghini 350 GT, the company's first car. Little did Ferrari know, this feud would lead to the birth of one of his greatest competitors. Lamborghini didn't just enter the world of supercars, they revolutionized it. With the birth of the Lamborghini Miura, the world's first mid-engine two-seater coupe, they set a new standard. A standard where design, speed, and luxury reigned supreme. The Miura was a game changer, a vehicle that turned heads and set hearts racing. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement, a symbol of ambition and innovation. Its mid-engine design, a first for a production car, was a daring move that paid off. It gave the Miura an unparalleled balance and handling, making it a dream to drive. But Lamborghini didn't stop at the Miura. The company's commitment to innovation, to pushing the boundaries of what was possible, led to a series of groundbreaking supercars, each one a testament to Lamborghini's dedication to design, speed, and luxury. From the fields to the fast lane, Lamborghini had firmly established itself as a titan of the automotive industry. Today, Lamborghini is a name synonymous with luxury, speed, and unparalleled design. But how did this tractor manufacturer become a supercar legend? The story begins with Lamborghini Trattori, a successful tractor business founded by Ferruccio Lamborghini. A feud with Enzo Ferrari, another Italian automotive giant, was the catalyst that sparked Lamborghini's foray into the world of supercars. The creation of the 350 GT marked Lamborghini's entry into the race, but it was the Miura that truly revolutionized the supercar industry. In the years since, Lamborghini has continued to redefine the meaning of luxury and performance. Each new model is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in automotive design and technology. Today, the legacy of Lamborghini is about more than just luxury cars. It's a story of ambition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. From humble beginnings to the pinnacle of automotive excellence, Lamborghini's journey is a testament to the power of ambition, innovation, and a little bit of rivalry.